Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my living room, and I hope you're having a great year. Welcome to 2018. Today I'm going to be giving you a tour of my living room. I really love how my living room came together. When I wanted to put this room together, I wanted grey couches, a grey rug, and a touch of gold in this room. And I love how everything came up together. I also love antique furniture, and I also incorporated some antique pieces in my decor and in my furniture, and I really love how it came up together. So this is a general overview of what you'd see when you come into my living room. I have an open floor plan, and everything is just together: my living room, my dining room, and my kitchen. But this is a general overview of what you'd see when you come into my living room, and I love how everything came together. I also like to decorate with throw rugs. As you can see, they give that cozy and comfortable feeling. On here I've just got a vase that I put some roses, and some water, and I've also got some candle stands there that I put crystal candle stands, and I've also got a candle that I burn from time to time, especially in the morning when I wake up, and it burns throughout the night because I love the scent that it gives out. This sofa I actually bought on Facebook on my buy sell swap page, and it was less than $100, and I love the way it just blends in with the gray of my current sofas. I really love it. And this is my coffee table that I made. It's actually a DIY that I made using picture frames, and I love how everything just blends in together. And on this side here, I've just got my TV stand that I op-shopped as well. I got this from my local shop that provides me with antique furniture. It's actually a 1980s piece, and I really love it. 1980 or 1880, I'm not sure anymore, but I really love it. And I've just put a yacht on the side and my vase and pineapple there, and I love the way that it looks. It gives the room a little bit, balances between the neutrals and gives the room a kind of a cozy feeling. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed my living room tour. Not much to see, but I love how everything just came together, and I hope you have enjoyed my living room tour. Give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share.